Here, you want to try the other ones?
Yeah, let me see the other one. Let me see the other one. I'll be able to.
This is the middle one.
Okay. This is almond.
Almond, okay.
This is rice.
Okay. Here, this is the other one.
Definitely chocolate.
Okay, so you got chocolate, this one, the last one. This one, the one on the right you said. Almond? Here, give it a taste.
Yeah, this is almond, yeah.
This almond?
Yeah.
And you think this one, the other one is rice?
Yeah.
Yeah? You can take the blindfold out. So you got chocolate milk, right?
For sure.
This is actually almond, and this is actually rice.
Oh, wow. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, hold on. Let me pour it real quick. All right, here you go.
Okay. Yeah, I think this is probably rice. Okay, let me try that. I'll leave this one here.
All right.
Damn. Okay, I think this might be rice.
Okay, it's the last one.
Okay, this is the last one. Bro, they're all the same. They all taste the same. And this is rice too. Okay, I'm gonna say that these two were rice and the other one was almond.
Is that your final answer?
Yeah, I think so.
All right.
Yeah?
Nah, so this one was...
Well, it's water?
This one, yeah. One of them was water. Yeah,
This
that
water?
one was water. And then this one...
That's what I was like, this doesn't taste good.
And I didn't pour the chocolate milk. Chocolate's my favorite.
Yeah, chocolate is the best.
Chocolate's, yeah, really good.
This one's good. I really like this one too. This one I haven't tried, honestly.
Is this the rice one?
No, this is the rice.
This rice one, the rice one
with
was good. Yeah, rice one was good, yeah.